What's up, guys? We just got done with the Fathouse Fabrication roll cage install on Chris's car. This is a 2014 Mustang. It's in the works of getting a transformation to a big single turbo setup and just a bunch of different things, but I'm going to give her a little review on this roll cage and how well it fits. I don't think you could get any tighter than this. The windshield bar, we laid the windshield in, and you probably can't get a business card between the windshield and the windshield bar. This is a well put together cage. Everything fits. It's hard to get everything in the camera here. Everything fits super tight. I would suggest that whenever you drop it down, whenever you install it, you cut holes in the floor right here and drop it down through so you can weld the tops, because there's no way you can weld the tops, it's so tight to the roof. But when you drop it down, weld the tops and paint the tops, I would highly suggest go ahead and painting in between here and putting these interior panels in before you jack the cage back up, because a tight fitting cage is what every customer wants, but when putting the interior panels back in, it will make you rethink the decisions you made of not putting them in before you put the cage in for final, because right in here is very tough to get in, but we got it. My suggestion, if you do get to that point, behind these plastic panels there's some little gusseted ribs that are in the plastic casting. If you will cut those gussets out where it will allow that to flex out like that, and definitely use a heat gun on everything. Get it soft as you can. We don't have a steering column for this car because I think he's going to do aftermarket, but that's what these are for. We left them loose, but that will mount the steering column. So we didn't paint that area so he could weld it. But the dash bar goes over all the HVAC stuff. Go around the other side here. We did the gussets. You can get these gussets with this cage kit, but we made these ourselves for the top. With the cage kit, you can get that as an option instead of making them. We did swing outs on this one. Pretty nice. This also, you can get that as an option with this kit. That's where we got these. See how it goes around the interior panels really good. The back, you just trim that. That's a little bit tough to get in, but it's doable. You just have to be patient. But that's our review of the Fathouse Fabrication cage for the S197 cars. One last thing, I'll shut the door and show you how it fits there. I'll shut the other door too. See, we did the front kit on this car. We got a parachute mount we made for it. You get the idea. If you're looking for a cage for one of these cars, these guys are the ones to hit up. So, Jeremy and Ben at Fathouse, appreciate the awesome work on this cage design. Made life pretty easy for us.